Yeah, hello everyone. Hello Neelu.
Hi.
Uh,
New
Hello Sidhu.
different background
Hello.
this time.
Oh,
Each time
thank
Yeah,
Sejal
you.
has come with a different background. Fairly it was the last time I think was her original background. Today she's with a virtual background. Where are you, Sejal?
because
San Francisco? You're sitting in San Francisco right now?
yes, with if I work with Siddhi, no, I'm definitely go to San Francisco.
Thank you.
Lovely. Lovely.
Acha,
Wonderful.
thank you for giving me a chance once again to Mystic Lotus and Siddhi. I totally agree with Harneet ji. What she said about Siddhi, no, like Siddhi is a very beautiful soul, and her teaching pattern and everything is really like I started my journey with the angels. Last May, I remember I had done this basic angel therapy course, and that time I was a typical housewife. Like to earn 10,000 also was a big question for me. And within 1 year, I have learned so many modalities with Siddhi, and I really would tell everyone to learn this angel course, because for small things also angels help like anything. Like हम लोग घर पे होते हैं, like if we are at house, like mother helps for everything. A child calls her mother, and just mother helps for everything. I'll share one of my incident. Once upon a time, like my father-in-law, around 11:30 at night, he had a cardiac attack. uh, like he was feeling very much heaviness in chest, and we thought it like he must have to be hospitalized. So my husband, he took him to the doctor. Just when my father-in-law went, I was continuously praying to angels like nothing is going to happen to him, and I don't want him to be hospitalized, and he should be back within an hour. Nilu, can you believe, around it just took 2 hours for him to reach to the hospital and come back. He was safe home, and it was just a gastric pain and nothing else. I said, "Come down and bow down to my angels, like they have saved your life." And even for small things, like once I remember one of my clients' daughter, around 11:30, she's a beautician. So she was traveling somewhere in a rickshaw, so she lost her mobile. Like the girl was playing. She called me night 11:30. Auntie, please मेरी मम्मी के लिए prayers करो ना, because of my mistake. My mother lost her mobile. I said, just wait. Within 10 minutes, Nilu, can you believe that rickshaw wala stopped somewhere? He charged the mobile, and he called my client. I'm standing here somewhere. Please come and collect your mobile. So angels are like wow. I really.
Charge the phone. Wait, Sejal, he charged the phone also.
Yes. And I have shared this experience with Siddhi. I think this was 6, 7 months back. Huh? I'm telling you. And that lady, yesterday also, her husband, he takes too much of liquor. And yesterday, what happened? Like he had too much, and some fights were going on. She called me, Auntie, please do something. No, they trust me like I'm a magician. Within 10 minutes, even she called, everything was settled down. So, like, I cannot count so many miracles of angels. So, now moving on to dragons. I have even learned full dragon realms course with Siddhi. And I remember still after learning 3 months, I did not have any experience. And like everyone sees the dragons and angels around, I never ask them my validation, because I know they are with me. I can feel their energies. I can feel they are showing me so many miracles. Just few months back, one of my friend, her husband, around 70 lakhs her were stuck up. So she called me, Sejal, my so and so amount is stuck. Please give me some healing. And I called up dragons and angels. Nilu, within 12th day, on the 12th day, she recovered how much amount, you remember? 60 lakhs. So
No, no. What are you
I
saying?
I am telling, I have shared this with Siddhi. And trust me, now
60
everyone is
lakhs recovered.
yes,
11
just
days, 12 days.
within 12 days. Yeah, I have
Good
put this story
Lord.
on Instagram also. I have not put the amount because it is someone's personal. I cannot share on social media, but I have told Siddhi. So like now people are offering me कि Sejal, please तेरी वजह से अगर ये हमारा amount collect हो जाएगा ना, we will give you 1%. I said I don't want. I am satisfied with what I am earning, and I want only my fees. The second incident of today, I'm telling you, one lady, she's a divorcee, and she's working with some estate agent. So she was given a target of completing 10 deals within 2 months. So if she achieves this target, no, she's entitled to go to Phuket trip. So everyone is blessed to go foreign tours. Like excitement hota hai. So she called me. Every now and then she calls me, please kuch karo na, please kuch karo na. Today afternoon, this I have not shared with Siddhi also. She completed 7 deals. Only 3 deals are remaining. Within 1 month, she completed 7 deals. She was so happy. Like Sejal or all my friends, they will tell, Sejal, please tell your angels, no? Please tell your dragons, no? We don't know anything. You tell your dragons. So like, and recently, one client, Dubai also, he had taken some package of 21 days of this celestial dragon healing along with angel prayers. So like 18th day, he got some work and the last minute the deal was cancelled. He was, like nothing is working for me. I said, please don't leave the hopes. Siddhi has taught us like you always trust universe 100%. The time will come. You don't need to have patience. On the 19th day, he called me, Bhabhi, your celestial dragon healing angel prayers are really working miraculously. You please keep on continuing 21 days. Every time, once this 21 days is over, you please continue this again. So, like, everyone gets a lovely feedback from healing. So, I would really say, and nowadays, as a part of Yana's healing studio, and under Siddhi's guidance, I'm taking her clients also for healing and with her guidance. Trust me, Neelu, I am not free. Like this right now, also, I'm taken these 2 hours. I don't know how will I manage. Full day, I'm busy with Siddhi ma'am's Mehrbani. For me, she's like my angel. Trust me, Neelu. I'm sitting at my altar. I will not lie. Trust me, Siddhi has changed my life miraculously. Miraculously. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for sharing. And I know it is very emotional moment for you. And it is
And
for me also because you allowed me to do it. You allowed your angels and dragons to work with you. Thank you.
and Neelu, trust me, like I am 48 years old. I was working before my marriage.
1 second.
And
I'm just going to react like this. No, you are not 48. You do not look 48 from any angle at all.
thank you so much. But after I met Siddhi, and within 1 year, she has totally changed my life. And good, you did not ask me to tell after this Harpreet ji shared her experience. I was literally crying to hear her incidents because same is the case with me. So many incidents every time, so many incidents. I every time call up Siddhi, Siddhi, this happens. Siddhi, she will tell Sejal, do it for me also.
Super.
Chalo. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you,
Thank
Siddhi.
you, Sejal. Always a delight
Thank you.
to have you here and listen into your experiences, especially with your work with Siddhi. Thank you.
Thank you.